beautiful hall. And today we are going to talk about the schools of different countries. We call this project Worldwide Schools, in analogy to the World Wide Web. So, many of you participated in the project. Many of you have already found friends from other countries, and I hope this project will help you to find more friends and to find the use of your language, to find the meaning of using it. For those who don't speak Russian or don't speak English, I'll speak English just a little bit, I'll translate it. Для неанглоговорящих или не очень англоговорящей аудитории, немножко поясню. Этот проект мы делаем уже третью неделю. Многие участвуют в этом проекте в разных вариантах. Кто-то собирается рассказать о школе той страны, которую он выбрал. Надо сказать, что искали ребята сами, кто с родителями, кто самостоятельно. Поэтому не судите строго, если где-то какие-то заминки, это исключительно из-за того, что первый опыт. Действительно, ребята делали все самостоятельно. По поводу стенда, который у нас висит в коридоре, да, все вы знаете, что очень многие взяли уже адреса. Я знаю, что 6 ребятам уже ответили новые друзья из других стран. Очень надеюсь, что переписка будет расти и use of language, да? Зачем нам нужен язык? Вот попробуем начать с этого. Да? Вот первое, в чем мы можем использовать наш язык. Он нужен нам не только для уроков, не только для оценок, для того, чтобы вы поняли, что легко и приятно можно общаться с людьми из других стран. И я специально не поправляла ни одной ошибки в объявлениях. Это реальные объявления ребятишек из разных стран. Вы увидите, что даже те дети, английский язык, который является родным, тоже ошибаются. И ничего нет страшного в том, чтобы написать письмо, пусть первое, пусть с ошибками. В конце концов, да, для того язык и нужен, чтобы рассказать свою мысль, поделиться своими идеями, а все остальное потихонечку поправится. Прежде чем мы начнем проект, я раздам вот такие листочки. Я вас попросила всех прийти с ручками, с карандашиками. По ходу проекта я вас попрошу найти ответы на эти вопросы. Выходя из зала в конце проекта, пожалуйста, положите их на стол, не забудьте подписать. И тот, у кого наибольшее количество точных ответов получится в нашей маленькой анкете, тоже будет отмечен. Right, so that's enough for Russian. I'll ask you to pass these paper through the rows. And let us start.
Что происходит?
I'll ask to tell about India, our special guest, Ms. Dashna.
Good morning, dear children. I'm really glad to see you today, beautiful morning. And I'm really thankful to Ms. Joy, who gave me, the chance to tell you about my country, India. But I have been living here for already in Russia 22 years, So Russia is my second motherland. But anyway, India is my motherland, my homeland, So first of all, we also have got just children like you. But the differences, if you want to ask me, the main differences between India and other countries' schools. Our schools are first of all very big, very huge schools are there. And schools are mostly public and private schools. You know, very small amounts of government schools are there, like your schools where numbers are there, like 1291 or some numbers of schools. We have all the schools, they have names. We have names. Like my school, the name of my school was Hastings House Multipurpose School. You know, we have specially girls' school also, boys' school also. And I'm really proud of it, you know, because India has got the largest school of the world. 35,000 students in one school. It's just like a mini city. It's in Lucknow. It's the center of India. It's located. And 35,000 children are there and 3,000 teachers are there. So our schools basically consists of all the classes. They have got minimum 30 children in one class and lots of sections like A, B, C, D, like even till E, F, G, like that, you know. The second thing, of course, our children, usually they go to school at the age of 6. First of all, primary school, that starts from 1st grade till 4th. Then 5th grade till 10th. And high school, 11th and 12th. So we study not 11 years like you people, we study 12 years, one more year. So that's the main basic structure of the schools, okay? And the second, regarding the subjects, lots of subjects of course we study. I think you have seen already 9 subjects each day we have. They are work education, history, geography, science of course, then our own language, Hindi, and of course English. All the subjects in all over India we teach in English, science and everything, all the things, you know, all the subjects. And you know, the very interesting thing I want to tell you children, in India, before starting the school, 40 minutes in all the schools from, you know, northern part to southern part, from east to west, we have prayer to God. We say thank you to God that God gave us such a beautiful life. And then our director of the school, she or he, usually they are telling, you know, few words about today's thought. And children, they also tell something about some news, interesting news about world. And at last, 5 minutes, all the children must sing the national anthem, the national song of India. Because each and every children, they should know the national song. That is called patriotism, yeah? So we love to sing our national song every day before starting the school. Regarding, you know, the other thing I just want to say you that's interesting in our country, that is each and every school, they have got their uniform, which I really miss in Russia. All the children, even in villages, in remote villages, all of us, we wear uniform. Uniform is must in our country. And every day, before starting the school, you have to show your nails, your shoes, and your hair. Is it tied or not? Everything. Your badges, that from which school you belong. So this type of disciplines are there. And regarding, of course, food, almost, you know, all the children, they carry their food with them, lunch box. Why? Because in India, mostly the students are vegetarian. So non-veg food are mostly not allowed in the school. So we are taking our meal with us, lunch pack. You know, even in Moscow, we have a very big Indian embassy school. 350 children, they are studying in our embassy school. Not only from India, there are some children also from China, from Indonesia. It's also a nice school. One day, surely I'm going to invite to go to visit that school. It will be, you know, interesting for them. So this is more or less about my country's school. Of course, I hope, the future, because some of Russian school in Moscow, each and every year they usually visit Indian school. So I hope, in future, from Sunny Wind also, some students will go with me to visit the Indian schools. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice day.
All right. Will you guess what the next country is? Alright. Some light. Thanks a lot. And I'll ask for my girl.
I write a letter to my Russian friend Veronica. What is from she? Is she in? She is in the first form like you. In France we study French, math, nature study, physical education, art and music in first form. And does Veronica study French? Some Russian schools she study French, but Veronica doesn't English. She studies English. Oh, in France we study English too. French children like to speak English very much. Look, I want to send some photos of our school to you. What's a good idea? Bonjour, Annette. I want to tell my friend Veronica about French school. That's right. That we don't have uniforms, and that
We don't study on Wednesdays.
and that we don't study on Wednesdays, and that we have one lesson outdoors every day. Yeah, right, and we shall write what our primary school and have 1 year of infant school and 2 years of elementary school and 2 years of junior school. And tell her that we have from 3 to 6 lesson day. And let's ask Veronica about Russian school. Let's go. Send our letter. Oh, I have got a letter from my friends from France. They are Sophie and Michelle. They have sent me a very beautiful picture of their school. Look, there are many beautiful flowers in front of their school. I know that there is a big sports ground behind it. There are 2 floors in it. Upstairs there there are junior school classes, and downstairs there are primary school classes. Primary school lessons are not formal. Children do many interesting things. When it is lunchtime, children eat very tasty food. But French people like eat salad and cheese and vegetables with meat. They like fresh bread, but they must eat much bread. Oh, I must go to answer the letter. Bye-bye.
Ask the kind of consideration for this show, for this little performance, because the girls did everything, every single word by themselves. Все, что вы видели, сделано просто самостоятельно от начала до конца. Shall we guess this country?
Buenos días amigos, yo soy un profesor de la escuela privada El Sol de España. Nuestro país se encuentra en el sur de Europa, que es famosa por su historia, cultura y su naturaleza. Good morning dear friends. I am a professor from a private school, sunny Spain. Our country is sited in the south of Europe and is washed by the Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. And our country is famous for its history, its nature and its culture. When we speak about Spain, we have in mind beautiful beaches. We have in mind also La Corrida de Toros, flamenco dance, Salvador Dali, and Don Quixote. I would like to tell you a wondering story which happened to me last summer. At the end of June, right at the beginning of the summer vacation, as you may know, classes in Spain start at mid of September and end at the mid of June. I was standing at the window of my school, which you can see on the picture, and saw in the street a boy dressed in a national Spanish dress. I cried to him, "Hola amigo, ¿cómo estás?"
I don't speak Spanish. I can speak English only.
Oh, English is okay. Where are you from? What is your name?
My name is Sergey. I am from Russia. I travel with my parents. I visited Korea. Look at my dress.
Oh, your dress is great. And how old are you?
I am 8.
And and I am a professor from a private school, sunny Spain.
Oh, really? I also study in a private school, but in Russia it is called Sunny Wind.
Well, that is really interesting. In Spain, we also have private and public schools. And in Spain, all the children are obliged to study. They start to go to the primary school at 6, and they study 6 years there.
6 years? Our primary school is only 4 years.
And our primary school is sited in a separate building. And we have a school bus which brings children to classes. Have you got such a bus?
Oh no, we haven't got such a bus.
Okay, and in Spain, school year consists of 3 trimesters with 3 vacations. For New Year, Easter, and also in summer.
Only 3, we have 4 vacations. In autumn, winter, spring and summer.
That is good. But even those vacations which we have in Spain are longer than in most of the European countries. And what are your favorite subjects?
All of them, but I don't like to do homework.
In Spain, children do almost no homework, and they haven't got study logs, and they get their study results at the end of each trimester.
We get our marks each day.
Oh, good. And your English is good. In Spain, children start to study English from the very first year. They also study mathematics, Spanish, also basics of natural and social sciences. They also have artistic and sports classes. At our school, we have got a swimming pool and football grounds.
We have football and basketball grounds.
Oh, your teacher also deserves good words. What is her name?
They are Miss Joy and Victorina Alexandrovna.
Okay, Sergey, would you like to study at our school in Spain?
Oh no, I want to study at my school, which I like a lot.
Okay, you're quite right, because East and West, but home is the best. Children in Russia and in Spain study English language, which helps them to communicate, to understand each other, and to make good friends. Welcome to Spain to have a rest, to study and to make good friends. Bienvenido a España para los estudios de distancia y
Yes, the next country. Sasha.
My name is Alex. I'm 9 years old. I go to school in Great Britain. Our lessons begins at 9 a.m. We study a lot of subjects: mathematics, English, sciences, chemistry, physics, biology. Also we study history, geography, music, nature study, art, design, technology, and religion, and physical education. My school retains marks from 1 to 10 points. I study in mixed school with boys and girls. After school, I attend extra classes like tennis and golf, minimum 3 times a week. A lot of children like to play cricket in our school. And now I would like to tell you about educational system in Great Britain. English educational system is quite different from what you have in Russia. There are some state schools and some private ones. Study in a school takes place between the ages of 5 and 16. State schools are infant, junior and secondary. British boys and girls begin to go to infant school at the age of 5. They draw pictures, sing songs, listen to the stories. British children begin to read and write when they enter the infant school. So, children leave infant schools when they are 7. Then they go to junior schools, where they learn to write, read, do mathematics. The school subjects are history, English, geography, mathematics, English, art, music and swimming, and some others. According to the law, religion subject is compulsory. When the pupils enter the junior schools, they pass abilities test. According to the results of the test, they are divided into 3 groups. Boys and girls spend 4 years staying in junior schools from age 7 to 11. Then they pass examinations again and enter the secondary schools. English boys and girls attend secondary schools from 11 till 16. At this stage of schooling, pupils are often divided in A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, and D groups according their abilities. The most able children were put in the A group, the least able in the D group. There are also private schools in England. Parents pay for private schools. In most private schools, boys and girls study separated, but it could be also mixed school. English peoples wear school uniform. It is one of the oldest country's traditions. A boy's uniform has a school cap, a tie, and a blazer. As a girl's uniform consists of a hat, a coat, a skirt, and a blouse. The uniforms are different from school to school. I have some pieces from uniform, tie, and a cap. This is.
Can you put them more? Can you put them more? Give me your papers and put the parts of the uniform on so that we can see. Like this.
I would show some photos from our school. We like to have a fun. We play snowballs and going by boards.
Right. Thanks a lot, Sasha. Let me make a little comment on this performance. On Friday, Sasha showed me what he prepared, and actually he told everything by heart. And then I told him that it might be a bit too short. So today Sasha made it a bit longer, and it was a perfect reading of the information. Thanks, Sasha. So the next country is... This is yours. Welcome.
Hello, my name is Dimetra, and what's your name? Hello, my name is Elisa. I'm from Russia. And I'm from Cyprus. I study in a very good school in Paphos. I'm sure my school is better. We study math, art, music, literature, and physical education, and Russian. We study the subject too, and also we study Greek language because all people in Cyprus speak Greek. And we have a very nice white and grey uniform. Look at mine. People in Cyprus have a uniform just the same. Children in Russia begin to study when they're 6 or 7 and leave school at the age of 16. We begin to study at the age of 5 and finish to study at the age of 18. Well, I think that our schools are good. Oh, you're right. Oh, I can teach you Greek dance certainly.
by girls themselves again. All right. So, what is the next country? Oh, I'm sorry. Who's going to tell us about Switzerland? Is there anyone who
There are 4 languages in the small Switzerland. German, French, Italian, and English. So all people speak 2 languages and English. Many Swiss schools are in the mountains. Swiss pupils spend much time and have some lessons outdoors. Swiss pupils have physical education lessons in the mountains if their school is in the mountains. Children in Switzerland study from 6 to 16 years old. Children can choose 1 of 5 programs to study: American, French, Italian, and British program. Swiss children start to study in August, and their summer holidays begin in July. The most favorite song of Swiss children is Pigland. I can.
Et voici comme l'on danse notre joyeux picoulé. Et voici comme l'on danse notre joyeux picoulé. Picoulé d'un doigt, picoulé d'un doigt. Et voici comme l'on danse notre joyeux picoulé.
would you like to sing this song for us?
I can sing the song for you in English. Here is how we dance, how joyful people land. And here is how we dance, how joyful people land. Pickle land is 1 finger, pickle land is 1 finger. And here is how we dance, how joyful people land.
Thanks a lot. Yes, next country.
Oh, my darling, why are you walking? You wear a uniform and look like a schoolgirl.
Yes, I am. But school children in Japan always clean their classrooms and the schoolyard by themselves.
It's good. Maybe you're hungry?
No, thank you. I have my breakfast in the box.
Oh, interesting.
But teacher is only at lunchtime.
So interesting to talk with you. How old are you?
I am 8. In Japan, children who can read and count start to go to school when they are 6 years old.
And does your school year begin on the 1st of September, as in Russia?
No, we start to study in spring when Japanese cherry tree sakura is blooming.
What do you do after lessons?
After lessons, we have a lot of interesting classes at school. Let's play games and chess, like draw and sing.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, I do. But I like my robot teacher too. When our teacher is ill, we have a lesson with a robot.
Really? And who helps you when you are ill?
When I am ill, my mother can go to school and sit at the lessons. Then, at home, she tells me what the teacher said.
Thank you very much for your story. But now I think it's time to do your homework.
No, it's time to watch my favorite cartoon, Cheburashka. Let's watch together.
Actually, we made it with the perfect timing, almost. And my last present for you at the end of this project. Would you please take the light off? Well, I'll show you a little cartoon at the end of this project, and hope you will remember how many countries there are in this beautiful world, and how many languages there are in this beautiful world, and how many children from all over the world wish to talk to you and to communicate with you, and how many people in this world are still waiting for you to write and to talk to them. Look how many countries you can see in this beautiful world.
And now, the nations of the world, brought to you by Yellow Water.
United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic, Dominican, Cuba, Caribbean, Greenland, El Salvador, too, Puerto Rico, Colombia, Venezuela, Honduras, Guyana, and still Guatemala, Bolivia, then Argentina, and Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, Costa Rica, Belize, Nicaragua, Bermuda, Bahamas, Tobago, San Juan, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, Guyana, Barbados, and Guam. Norway and Sweden and Iceland and Finland and Germany now in peace. Switzerland, Austria, Czechoslovakia, Italy, Turkey and Greece. Poland, Romania, Scotland, Albania, Ireland, Russia, Oman. Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Hungary, Cyprus, Iraq and Iran. There's Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, Yemen, Kuwait and Bahrain. The Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium and Portugal, France, England, Denmark and Spain. India, Pakistan, Burma, Afghanistan, Thailand, Nepal, and Bhutan, Cambodia, Malaysia, then Bangladesh, Asia, and China, Korea, Japan, Mongolia, Laos, and Tibet, Indonesia, the Philippines, Islands, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, New Guinea, Sumatra, New Zealand, and Borneo, and Vietnam, Tunisia, Morocco, Uganda, Angola, Zimbabwe, Djibouti, Botswana, Mozambique, Zambia, Swaziland, Gambia, Guinea, Algeria, Ghana. Uganda, Lesotho, and Malawi, Togo, the Spanish Sahara is gone. Nigeria, Chad, Liberia, Egypt, and Gabon, Tanzania, Somalia, Kenya, and Mali, Sierra Leone, and Algeria, Dahomey, Namibia, Senegal, Libya, Cameroon, Zaire, Ethiopia, Guinea-Bissau, Madagascar, Rwanda, Mallorca, Cayman, Hong Kong, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Yugoslavia, Crete, Mauritania, then Pennsylvania, Monaco, Liechtenstein, Malta, and Palestine, Fiji, Australia, Sudan.
Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed participating in this project. And there are more than 200 countries in this world, and all of them are open for you. Thanks a lot for your coming, and please don't forget to put down your names and give your papers to me, please.
Спасибо большое. Владимир,
Галина Васильевна, на английском желательно.
Я напишу, наверное.
Андрей.
Подожди.
Мальчики, быстренько из точки своей.